1% rule, use this a lot. You know, it was hard to kind of hit that 1%. Now you should really be trying to hit that 1%, maybe even higher than 1%. So what that means is, let's say somebody's asking 100K per door, right? You take 1% of that, 1,000. That should be your average monthly rent per door. I did some quick math, and what that essentially kind of comes out to is a 6% cap rate. So kind of saying the same thing. For instance, that same scenario, you assume that's 100 units. That'll give you roughly 1.2 million in income. You assume 50% expenses. That gives you 600,000 NOI. You divide that by a $10 million value, which is just 100,000 per door times 100. That gives you a 6 cap. So this is one way to quickly look at deals, see what the going in cap is, see if it's anywhere near this 1% rule. You know, if it's somewhere in this vicinity, then I would say go to the next step, which is detailed underwriting.